Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Subwoofer keeps disconnecting from soundbar, repair and range test. Fix 1. Performer power reset. You just have to unplug both the soundbar and subwoofer from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button on a physical soundbar for 15 seconds. Leave both units unplugged for 60 seconds. Plug the both unit back directly into a wall outlet. Avoid extension cord. Fix to manually repair the subwoofer. You have to turn on your soundbar, locate a pair or reset button on the back of the subwoofer. You have to press the button for 5 seconds until the LED light flashes rapidly. Go to a physical soundbar and press and hold its power button or a pairing button if it has one for 5 seconds. Wait for the subwoofer LED turn solid, which means it is connected. Fix 3. Turn off Eco Mode. You just have to press menu button on your Vizio remote, scroll through the option using the arrow keys until you see a Eco Mode. Press select or play button to change setting to off. Fix 4. Factory reset if connection drops again. Turn on your soundbar, press and hold the Bluetooth button and volume down button simultaneously. Hold those buttons for 5 seconds. Observe the front LED lights that flash 3 times indicating a reset. The system will restart automatically. Repeat the pairing process for the subwoofer. Thanks for watching.